Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave XAGUSD.com YouTube channel. This is Henry. Today is Wednesday, December 14. The time is around 3:45 a.m. GMT. Today we are looking at the chart of silver. This is 60 minutes chart here. Now we can see that we are now ending with 5 here. So we have with 3 and 4 in the minor degree and currently within with 5. Within wave 5 we subdivide into 5 waves as a diagonal. Again, that's why a lot of people keep asking about overlapping is fine when you have a diagonal. Okay, so so we are looking to finish this with 5, which then after we finish with 5 in the minor degree, we should also complete with 1 in the higher degree here, intermediate degree, right? Then from there we should be getting a bigger three pullback. Okay, so the cycle is kind of mature right now, but because it is a 5 waves, you don't want to fade a 5 waves, because 5 waves can always extend as much as it wants. But if looking at the structure, then yes, there is a possibility we should be ending and then starts to get three pullback here. So let's zoom out to the daily time frame. I'm gonna do it on the daily time frame here. All right, so this with 3 and 4, the position is right here. So if this is 3 and 4, then we're talking about 1 and 2 here, right? We're talking about 1 and 2 here, or you can yeah, this 1 and 2 here, and then now looking for with 5. So soon that 5 ways up is going to finish, and then we will get 3 pullback to correct this 5 ways up from September, right? So now the 3 waves doesn't need to be super big, but it should be a decent 3 pullback to basically to show that the cycle is complete, right? So maybe something like this. Maybe it can easily go to the wave 4 of 1 lesser degree again. So going back to, let's say, 20.5 or so, right? Before it turns higher. So we can retest $20, let's say, give and take, before we go higher again, as the 5 waves ended with 1 here, and then we should be getting this pullback before the next leg up again. Okay, so that's the idea of silver. So for now, I think the purpose is just to simply suggest that I think chasing can be risky right now, even though fading is also not recommended. You don't want to fade 5 ways, like I said, because it can always extend. This, it can become a nest, 1 2 1 2. Now, so how do we know whether it becomes a nest or not? If you go down to the 4-hour time frame right now, you can see so far we have a divergence here, we got a divergence from here, right? So far you can see a divergence in the silver, right? So you can call it 5 waves. But let's say if it accelerates on the upside and actually goes something like this, divergence totally erased in the momentum, then there is a possibility it actually becomes a nest, meaning this could be a 1 2. A nest will look like this, guys. Is a 1 2 1 2. Right, it is a 1 2 1 2 like this, and it accelerates 3 of 3, 4 of 3, 5 of 3, and so on and so forth, to do a much bigger 5 ways up as a nest, right? So if divergence is erased, becomes a nest, but for now divergence is still there, no reason for you to call a nest. Try to be conservative here, and therefore looking for the 5 ways to complete soon, and then once it is complete, we should be getting a 3S pullback in silver. Okay, so that's the idea here, guys. If you want further updates on silver or any other commodities, stocks, ETF, Forex, and so on, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. I'll see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.